Okay, this is a video on how to prepare a nose of a whitetail, nose and chin, using the FID. This is a merchant marine tool that's used for splicing lines, like I've explained before in other videos. So I'm going to show you how I use this. I've been using this for this particular one for 35 years. Change a blade on this number 4 handle. It's a scalpel. Number 20 blade, easily purchased on eBay, about $9. Comes with a handle. Again, I've been using these for years. Take that FID, run it on the inside of your cape, and draw down to the nose. And you can see the nose is right here. One nostril, taking that scalpel and just going up nice and easy. And the sphere of this wooden dowel or FID gives you a nice bottom for your meat to be sliced off easily with the, as you can see. You can go all the way around with this, adding tension with your hand, and just slicing up. Do that all the way around, constantly. Once you're done with that and you get up to the point where you can't reach because the section of this FID is a little too big, flip it around, take it and slide it up through the other nostril right there. Now you've got the nostril pulled through. I had already done this one prior to video, and nobody wants to see me doing that for 15 minutes. So you just slice up, lifting that tissue up, get as much of it off the first time as you can, and then we'll go and salt it down, and tomorrow all this tissue that's left on it will be raised up and easier access. It'll cut off a lot easier when you're using a scalpel. And also the gold standard here. The rest of the deer is done on that. So you're going to go back into the chin. Same thing. I did take the liberty of doing most of it. So you get to this section like this, and you can see that skin fits right over that FID pretty good, all except for this little chin area up here. So what you do when you get to that is, again, flip that FID around. These can be purchased made out of foam from certain taxidermy companies. Years ago I had given the idea to a man and he ran with it. But if you know someone that has a lathe, definitely have them make one for you. They're an excellent tool to have. They can be used in any mammal. And you can also get different sizes. There's a smaller one. This is used for fisher, fox, bobcat. And like I said, I've had these for over 30 years. And they are great because they're wood. If you get a little chip in one of them because of your blade, all you have to do is do a little sand on it, and it's back down to a nice smooth surface. But I'll show you in a second here after I get this section up. That's it. You bring it up to there and cut this off. And then you can work your way right up around to the lip. You can see this section right here. That's just about where every whitetail over 35 years has landed with their nostril. And you can see that it's worn down there. That's the FID. That's how you do the nostrils, the chin. Now it's going to be salted, worked again tomorrow, thrown into the pickle, and mounted in a couple of days. Thanks for watching.